Through completing the media coursework, I have developed my technological skills, as I've had to use Photoshop and WordPress on the Apple Mac computers. From the beginning, I did not fully understand how to use these type of technologies such as Photoshop, but as I spent more time, I began to acknowledge and gain information on how to use it for my magazine. When completing the preliminary task, I learned how to set a document up on Photoshop to look like a magazine by using the ruler tool, which allowed me to keep things in line. This was an important aspect on my final contents page, as there was a lot of text. By using the ruler tool, I was able to visualise the layout and the final product more clearly. Not only did this tool help me with the development of my magazine, it helped create more of a tidy and professional product. Since creating my magazine, I have learned how to crop, cut and edit images, where I've used the laser tool and the magic wand tool. The laser tool allowed me to draw and cut over images, whilst the magic wand tool has allowed me to select sections of an image. The link layers tool on Photoshop was incredibly useful, as it meant that I could move my layers with ease and not have to click on each individual one. Another tool which I found incredibly useful and important in making my magazine was the colour picker tool. This is because by using this tool I was able to continue the house style of my magazine throughout all 3 pages by using the same colours. Experimenting with the brightness and contrast tool and the hue and saturation tool helped me adjust the images, allowing them to stand out from the page and take on different tones. These changes then help with the overall appearance of each magazine. Through my secondary research, I learned how to use the spot and healing brush tool, which has allowed me to smoothen out skin tones on the images and get rid of any imperfections. This then helped me make the images seem more professional and help deliver an appearance of what the audience aim and inspire for. From an artist's perspective, this allows them to look more powerful in the eyes of the audience. The first time I took my images, I found that they did not look like something that could be found in a general interest music magazine, and I did not use the conventions of direct eye contact. Therefore, I had to retake my images for my magazine a few times until I took an image of which worked well in the terms of fitting around my cover lines and on my front cover, as well as looking conventional. Through this project, I was also introduced to WordPress.com, which is a blogging site I have used to post all my work on. I have found this to be very useful and a convenient way of posting and accessing my work in class as well as home.